Welcome to Natural Remedies.
Here are some well-known home remedies to help your baby get rid of body hair. Gently massage your baby with a mild and gentle baby oil. Do this twice daily, mornings and evenings for a few days. You can see the reduction in the visible body hair. Make a paste of sandalwood powder, milk, and turmeric powder. Apply this paste on your baby's body where there is visible laguna. Rub the paste gently to remove it. Do this every day for few weeks before your baby's bath. Make a soft dough with 2 spoons of wheat flour and a spoon of gram flour. Roll the dough into a small ball and rub it on your baby's body gently. Do this every day before bath time and see the visible body hair of your baby reduce effectively. Massage your baby with olive oil first. Then apply a paste of finely powdered split red lentils and milk cream. Massage this paste gently over the areas that have visible body hair. See a marked difference in a few days. Thanks for watching. Comment, like and share the video. Subscribe the channel for more health tips and recipes.